We can express concentration of a solution as a percentage. In this video, there's one method for that. Percentage mass in volume or mass by volume. Percentage mass in volume or mass by volume. Instead of the word mass, we can use the word weight. Then we have to use percentage weight by volume. There are two problems here. Let's solve them. A solution contains 20% of sodium chloride. How many moles of sodium chloride are needed to make 50 milliliters of solution? Molar masses have been given sodium 23, chlorine 35.5. This is a 20% mass by volume of sodium chloride solution. Therefore, every 100 milliliters of this solution contains 20 grams of sodium chloride. Therefore, we know in 100 milliliters of this solution, there are 20 grams of sodium chloride. Then, in 50 milliliters of this solution, how many grams of sodium chloride are there? We can find the answer in this way. 20 grams of sodium chloride divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 50 milliliters. 20 grams of sodium chloride divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 50 milliliters. Unit should be cancelled out. Milliliters. Then we get 10 grams of sodium chloride. In 50 milliliters of this solution, there are 10 grams of sodium chloride. In 50 milliliters of this solution, there are 10 grams of sodium chloride. We know molar mass of sodium chloride, sodium 23, chlorine 35.5, 58.5 grams. In 58.5 grams of sodium chloride, there's 1 mole of sodium chloride. In 58.5 grams of sodium chloride, there is 1 mole of sodium chloride. Then in 10 grams of sodium chloride, how many moles of sodium chloride are there? We can find the answer in this way. 1 mole NaCl divided by 58.5 grams sodium chloride multiplied by 10 grams sodium chloride. 1 mole sodium chloride divided by 58.5 grams sodium chloride multiplied by 10 grams sodium chloride. Unit should be cancelled out. Gram sodium chloride. Then we get our answer. By simplifying this, we can get our answer 0.17 moles of sodium chloride. How many moles of sodium chloride are needed to make 50 milliliters of solution? 0.17 moles of sodium chloride are needed. Now let's go to the next problem. A solution contains 10% weight by volume of KOH. How many moles of KOH are needed to make 50 milliliters solution? Molar mass has been given 56.1 grams. This is a 10% weight by volume of KOH solution. Therefore, every 100 milliliter of solution contains 10 grams of KOH. In 100 milliliters of this solution, there are 10 grams of KOH. Then in 50 milliliters of this solution, How many grams of KOH are there? You can find the answer in this way. 10 grams KOH divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 50 milliliters. 10 grams KOH divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 50 milliliters. Unit should be cancelled out. Milliliters, milliliters. Then we get 5 grams of KOH. In 50 milliliters of the solution, there are 5 grams of KOH. We know molar mass of KOH, it has been given 56.1 grams. In 56.1 grams of KOH, there is 1 mole of KOH. Then, in 5 grams of KOH, how many moles of KOH are there? We can find the answer in this way. 1 mole KOH divided by 56.1 grams of KOH multiplied by 5 grams of KOH. 1 mole KOH divided by 56.1 grams KOH multiplied by 5 grams KOH. Unit should be cancelled out. Gram KOH, gram KOH. Then we get our answer 0.089 mole. There are 3 decimal places here. If you want, we can write this answer in 2 decimal places. 0.09 moles of KOH. How many moles of KOH are needed to make 50 milliliters solution? 0.09 moles of KOH are needed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Let's meet again with a new video. God bless you.